In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. Firstly, you need to tap on Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Display and Brightness. From here you need to click on Text Size and Weight. And finally swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview over here. When you're ready, just tap on the back button, and as you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!